CELO is a family-owned international company dedicated to the design and manufacturing of technical screws and technical fixings. The smart clamp system is an innovation that becomes a turning point in an installer's productivity. It all started after visiting hundreds of plumbers and contractors at the job site. We decided to develop a solution to improve their productivity on those routinary tasks. In the late 90s, we launched the Abranil clamp. The Abranil is a multi-diameter nylon clamp with a dentate closing that locks safely the pipes when pushing them in. It reduces the installation time versus traditional clamping solutions, which requires multiple pieces, several installation steps, and long screw windings. In 2019, CELO decided to redesign the Abranil concept in order to optimize its performance and adapt it to all international usages and needs. The result, the smart clamp systems. The smart clamp systems is a set of three concepts, providing smart clamping solutions for all types of installations based on three different smart clamps. The STC or Smart Tap Clamp is an all-in-one piece clamp that can be fixed directly to every surface with a screw. The SSC or Smart Strut Clamp has a special lever adapted to strut channels, enabling an easy and secure fixings of the clamp on strut channels without tools. The ABT or Smart Nail Clamp is the traditional Abranil clamp adapted to be nailed to any surface. At CELO, we believe that even a simple clamp can make a big difference. It is our philosophy. Small things matter.